Welcome to Scholars Tutorial, where 3D reasoning is made simple through smart visual learning. In this question, we need to find how many cubes remain hidden when viewed from the given direction. Here's our first figure. In the given 3D figure, there are two stacks of 6 cubes each and one additional stack of 3 cubes, making a total of 15 cubes. When viewed from the direction of the arrow, only 6 cubes are visible. Therefore, 15 minus 6, that is 9 cubes, which are hidden. Hence, the correct answer is option C, that is 9. Let's try the next one. In the given 3D figure, there are 2 layers of 9 cubes each and one additional 7 cubes in the bottom layer, making a total of 25 cubes. When viewed from the direction of the arrow, only 10 cubes are visible, 5 in each layer. Therefore, 25 minus 10, that is 15 cubes are hidden. Hence, the correct answer is option A, that is 15. With Scholars Tutorial, cube reasoning becomes clear and easy. Keep practicing, visualize better, and get exam ready. Ace Academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.